Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Myself is Manjal Bhandari. In the previous class we are doing the exercise 3.1 till we have completed the 4 topic. In today's class we are going to 5, 6, 7. The whole exercise 3.2 will be winding down in this class. Okay students, one more thing students, I will be taking this class in bilingual language in English and Kannada. And one more thing, please like it and share it so that everyone must come to know there is a classes. And subscribe the channel. Okay students, now let begin the class. So in the previous class we are doing the exercise 3.1 till the 4th topic, 5th topic today. There is a question. What is regular polygon? What is regular polygon? State the name of the regular polygon. I have defined it. What is regular polygon? Regular polygon means we must have equal length or equal angle. All the sides will be equal. So it will be called as regular polygon. What is first point? Regular polygon. Regular polygon means equal sides and equal angles that we call as a regular polygon. Equal sides, equal angle together, that is called as regular polygon. Okay, I will note down this definition. A polygon having sides of equal length. A polygon having equal sides of equal length and angle of equal measurement is called as regular polygon. Okay students, now we have a question. What is 3 side and 4 side and 6 side is called as? 3 sides, 4 sides and 6 sides, what it is called as? So regular polygon. So 3 sides we take it as an equal triangle, means all the sides will be equal and angle will be equal. So we take it as equilateral triangle. Which means now 4 sides. 4 sides means we can take it as a square. Square means all the sides will be equal. Equilateral triangle is triangle. This one. Regular polygon means all angle will be same and side will be same. Square means square. All the angles will be same and sides will be opposite sides will be same. Square means all will be same. This is a rectangle, sorry. Squares and all sides will be same. Now the same side will take a six sides. We take the hexagon. Hexagon. All the 6 sides or all the 6 angles will be same here. See friends, see students, all the angles will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All the angles will be same and sides will be same. So here we will take a regular polygon. Okay. Okay students, put it down and go to the next problem. Here in this figure, there will be given a figure. We have to find the value of x in the next one. There are 4 problems. Okay. Note it down. So students, in this one, 6th one, we have to find x. Find x. There will be a figure. We have to find the value of it. It is a quadrilateral figures. So first one. This is a figure. Sides are not given. 50, 130. 120 and x. We have to find the value of x here. So students, this is the quadrilateral figure. Quadrilateral figure means all the sides will be 360, all the angles will be 360. So I will take here 50 plus 130 plus 120 plus x is equal to 360. Means all will be 360 degree. We have to find the value of x. So by adding this 120, 130 plus 120 means how much? 250. 250 plus 50, 300. So 300 plus x is equal to 360. We get finally x is equal to 360 minus 300. So x will be 60. So we can get x value will be 620. In this way you have to solve. Quadrilateral means 360. Triangle means 180 degree. Okay, students. Now second problem in this one. There is a figure. This is also quadrilateral figure. Here you will figure x 70, 60. Here is 90 degree. So we have to find this one. Here 90 degree is perpendicular. This one will perpendicular to 90. Okay, sir. Now its whole quadrilateral will be 360. So I will get here 90 plus 60 plus 70 plus x is equal to 360 degree. If you add this one, we will get 90 plus 60, 150. 150 plus 17 is 220. 220 plus x is equal to 360. So x will be getting 360 minus 220. So finally we will get x as 140. So here x value will be 140. So in this way you have to solve it. Okay, students, note it down. Note it down. I will go to the next problem. Students, I will be doing it fast. I will be rubbing it. So screenshot it so that you can note it down afterwards. Pause the video and note it down so that it will be helpful. The video will be short. In 15 to 20 minutes I will be completing. So I will be doing little hurry. Especially I will be doing clearly. But noting down it will be hurry. So you please pause the video and note it down after continuing it. Okay. So students, next one, third problem in this one. There is a figure. This is a figure. In this one we are getting this is x. This is also x. This is 30 degree. This is 70 degree. This is it's not going on. This is 60 degree. We have to find the value of x. So students, one more thing students here. One more thing students. Here it will be one side. So this is one side. So whole anything or line is not, this will be taken as 180 degree. 180 degree. So if it is 180 degree, how much here what you will be getting? 180 minus 70 means here I will be getting 110 degree. Here I will be getting 180 minus 60 means 120 degree. 120. So we have to add more. This is a quadratic means 360. So I will get here 30 plus x plus 110 plus 120 is equal to 360 degree. Okay, friends, what is the question? Now add it 2x plus 30, 110, 120, 230, 230 plus 30, 260 is equal to 360. So you will get 2x is equal to 360 minus 260 means 100. So finally we will get 2x is equal to 100. 100 means we will take 2 downside. It will be 50. So x value will be 50. Okay, students, got it? It is very easy. Okay, note it down. So the next question is fourth one. Fourth one figure will be is a pentagon. It is a pentagon. Pentagon means all we have to find the pentagon. So what is it? We have to find the value of x here. X here. So we know that if Pentagon. Pentagon means how we can find the inner angles. Inner angle formula there is there. N minus 2 into 180. Okay, students. Now n means 5. 5 minus 2 means 5. Minus here n means side. N is equal to 5 into 180. So 5 minus 2 3 into 180 degree. 18 3 is 54. So we will be getting 540 degree. So for each angle how much x will be, you must calculate, means you must divide it by 5. 540 divided by 5. So we will be getting as 180. In this way you have to solve. So x value will be 180. Whole square will be divided into 180. In this way you have to solve it. Okay, students? Okay, students, note it down. I go last 7 problem is there. That also is the same, this type only. There is the 2 questions are there. I will solve it. Okay, it is very easy. Just a calculation matter is there. Please note it down. So 7th one, first question, find x, y, z. Here we have to find the value of x, y, z. Find x, y, z. We have to find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay. The figure has been given as this. This is the figure. They are given as this is 30 degree. This is 90 degree. Here x. Here z, here y. So here y is x, this is z, here z. Question, first we have to find the x, y, z first. So I will find first z value. See here, whole, anything students, the whole will be 180 degree. So here is 180. So I will take here that z is equal to z plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So z I will be getting 180 minus 30 means z will be 150 students. Okay, what is z value? Now in this same way we have to take this one also. Yes, this is the inverse way. So what we will be getting x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, students. Now we will be getting x is equal to 180 minus 90 means x is equal to 90 degree. So x is 90 degree. Now this is the right angle, this is a triangle. If whole triangle is 180 means how much we are getting? It is 180 degree. So total is 180. So we have to find this one. So this I will take it as A. This, if you find this one, we can easily find out y. So I will take as 30 plus 90 plus A is equal to 180. Why? Means it is the right, it is the triangle. Triangle we take as 180. So 90 plus 30, 120. 120 means 180 minus 120 means 60. So it will be 60. If it is 60, we can find easily y. Here we will take it as 60 plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 60 means y is equal to 120. So here we got x, y, z values. So here we got x, y, z values. From this equation, we can say that x plus y z is equal to. So I will take x plus y z. We have to find the value. X value is how much? Here is 90. Plus y value is how much? Here is y is 120. Plus z value is how much? Z is 150. If we add solve this, we will be getting the solution. Okay. Add it 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 1, 3. 360 degree we will be getting for all this one x, y, z if we have. Okay, students, it is very easy. Just you have to find one very simple calculations are there. Okay, note it down. Note it Moving on, I go to the last problem of this exercise. Moving on, I go to the last of exercise of 3.1. From the next class, I will be continuing the class with the concept of 3.2 exercise. Students, one more thing, I will be completing the whole syllabus of 8th standard mathematics. Do not worry about it. I will be doing all the videos. Please like it and share it and subscribe the channel as much as possible. Okay. Okay, students. I hope that you have noted or screenshot it. I will do the last problem. So seventh one, the problem is like what we'll find means here find x plus y plus z plus w. Here we are going to find x plus y plus z is equal to plus w. So next one, here data, here is w, here is 120 degree, here is x, here is 80, here is y, here is 60, here is z. We have to find this one. Okay, students. Now first we will find out the z one. So what is anything of this will be 180 degree. You must know it. So we will get that z plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So here we will get z is equal to 180 minus 60 means z we are getting 120 degree. First one. Second one I take x. X plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Here we will be getting x is equal to 180 minus 120 means x will be getting 60. Okay, students. Now y. If y I will take this, I will be getting y plus 80 is equal to 180. So here we will be getting y is equal to 180 minus 80 means 100. So y will be 100. Okay, students. Now will be w. So we have to find this one. First we have to find this one. For finding this one, we have to take this as a quadratic equation. This is as a quadratic equation. Quadratic means all the angle will be 360. So I will be writing in this way. So I will be writing here. I will be writing in this way. 60 plus 80 plus 120 plus a. We are finding a is equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now a is equal to 360 minus. We have to add all this. 120 plus 80, 200. 200, 260. So a will be 100. If it is 100, we can take this one as a plus w plus 100 is equal to 180. So we will get w is equal to 180 minus 100. So w is equal to 80. Okay, students, got it? W is equal to 80. So we are going to substitute all the values here. X, what is x value? 60 plus y 100 plus z means 120 plus w means 80. Okay, students, if we add all this, we will get the final answer. So 120 plus 80, 200, 300, 360 is our required answer. 360. So in this way, you have to solve this problem. It may be 2 to 3 problems. The starting exercise for starting the 1 or 2, this will be 3 to 4 problems. 3 to 4 marks it will be coming in the exam. These are very easy problems. You can easily solve it. Okay, students. I am hoping that you are liking my video very well. I am writing up this exercise 3.1 has been combined up. In the next class, I will be going to take the exercise 3.2 from the next class. From the next class, I am going to 3.2. If any doubt is there, please comment me. I will reply it. If any improvement will be needed to the class, please suggest it. I will take note of it. Okay students. Okay students, one more thing, please like it and subscribe the channel friends. Okay students, thank you.